congratulations on the drive you made a while ago.
Yes.
I can see that race was very intriguing. Back and forth in just the elements, because even when Morgan passed and started to shuffle, I said it to them up there on the back, I said, if that car slip and slide and you guys smell the rat, and it was half back again. And it was exciting because it brought so much excitement a while ago to where when it picked up and started to burst you. How do you feel about that last race?
Well, I'm happy that I finished the last race. Because, to be honest with you, I'm running a limited car.
Yeah, I know. You tell that majority were limping and I said that you still can't have it up to finish.
Right. I damaged the transfer case, the transfer box in the first race.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm actually running on just front wheel drive now. It's an all-wheel drive car, but I'm just running on front wheel.
No, but kudos to you because I have two of these cars, and this is not an easy car to drive without a four-wheel drive. So for you to like that, I was consistent as we know.
It was really nerve-wracking out there. The power was bringing the back of the car all over the car.
It comes a rear wheel drive coming around and you're going to counter steer.
It was very well done still, but I'm kudos to my team. You know, they...
As I said, when I've seen it, I'm not very so detailed anymore and the detail. But you have the madman on there, somebody put myself out in a reality where I'm laughing to me say, back in. This is the man that actually makes. Well, congratulations.
Congrats to them.
So, you went
It's all up to them. It's all them.
Well, no, the driver too. And it's because they all riding and depending on you and the bag. Yeah, right. That's how many kids, everybody.
All of us are riding in the car.
Right. Okay, so but tell me something. You're going to be back out today?
Definitely.
So you're going to pour like this front wheel drive.
Same front wheel drive. Right. So we're trying to keep the spirit of finishing the races and getting the point.
We're 876 Street.
876.
Right. Repping for the sickest ride.
876 Street.
Repping for the sickest footage and the sickest ride.
If that was is broken, we're still one.
That's right. I love it. Yeah. So today's your first after the
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.